Near-Earth Object 2024 YR4. Trajectory anomaly detected. Probability of collision.
December 22nd, 2032. A date that might be written in history books for all the wrong reasons. A city-destroying asteroid is hurtling towards Earth at an unimaginable speed. Scientists call it Asteroid 2024, YR4. But some are already calling it the Doomsday Rock. Could this be another Tunguska event? Or worse, the next Chicxulub, the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs? NASA has been tracking it closely, and the numbers aren't looking good. A 3.1% chance of impact may not sound like much, but in space terms, it's code red. If 2024 YR4 hits Earth, where will it strike? Can we stop it? And what happens if we fail? Let's dive into the terrifying truth about Asteroid 2024, YR4. Asteroid 2024, YR4 was discovered in December 2024 by astronomers scanning the skies for near-Earth objects. It belongs to the Apollo group of asteroids, space rocks that frequently cross Earth's orbit. Estimates suggest it's between 40 to 90 meters in diameter. That's the size of a football field, or about the same size as the asteroid that caused the Tunguska explosion in 1908, flattening 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest. But its true danger lies in its speed, 63,000 kilometers per hour. At that velocity, even a pebble could punch through steel. And this is no pebble. 2024 YR4 isn't just ancient rock. It's a fossil from the birth of our solar system, 4.5 billion years old. Inside it, secrets about life's origins and our potential extinction. Here's where things get chilling. As of now, scientists predict 2024 YR4 will make a dangerously close pass on December 22nd, 2032. At its closest approach, it could be just 25,000 kilometers from Earth, closer than some satellites. But there's a twist. With every passing month, calculations are shifting. The latest data suggests a 3.1% chance of impact. And that number is rising. Every 6.3 years, YR4 plays a game of celestial Russian roulette. In 2032, it approaches a gravitational kill switch, a region of space so precise, so deadly, that if it passes through, Earth becomes target practice. Asteroid 2024 YR4 is on a path that brings it uncomfortably close to Earth. If the worst-case scenario unfolds and it enters our atmosphere, where will it strike? Scientists have identified several possible impact zones, but the truth is, we won't know the exact location until the final weeks before impact. Right now, calculations suggest a trajectory that could send this asteroid crashing anywhere from the vast Pacific Ocean to densely populated megacities like Bogota, Lagos, and Mumbai. If 2024 YR4 makes landfall, the effects will depend on its size and speed at impact. Current estimates suggest that if it remains at its expected size, between 40 and 90 meters, it wouldn't cause a global catastrophe. However, if it strikes a major city, the destruction could be unprecedented. Let's say 2024 YR4 chooses land. Imagine this. You're walking down a street in a bustling city. The sky suddenly ignites into a blinding fireball. The air thickens with heat. Then, on impact, the energy released would be equivalent to multiple nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The immediate explosion would level buildings within several kilometers. The shockwave would travel even farther, shattering windows and collapsing weak structures across an entire metropolitan area. A similar asteroid impact over a major city today could leave millions dead or displaced. The region would be uninhabitable for months due to fires, debris, and structural collapse. But what if 2024 YR4 crashes into the ocean? It might seem like a safer outcome, but in reality, it could be just as devastating. An asteroid this size wouldn't cause a global tsunami, but in a worst-case scenario, it could generate a regional mega tsunami, waves tens of meters high, racing toward coastal cities that has ability to vanish the coastal cities on the western coasts of North and South America, islands in the Pacific, Southeast Asian coastlines. A tsunami of this magnitude could flood entire coastal regions, destroying infrastructure and displacing millions of people. The economic damage alone would be in the hundreds of billions of dollars. One thing is certain, the closer 2024 YR4 gets, the clearer our picture will become. And as that day approaches, the world will hold its breath, waiting to see whether we are in its crosshairs. YR4's path shifts daily due to solar winds. Let's talk about the 1.7% of apocalypse, the odds of being struck by lightning, twice. But in space, that's a code red. There are a lot of chances that the 1.7% becomes 100%, one solar flare, one tiny push, and that 1.7% becomes 100%. Solar flares push the asteroid closer towards Earth. If this is done, then we're doomed. There is hope. NASA has already proven that we can change the course of an asteroid. In 2022, the DART mission made history by crashing a spacecraft into an asteroid, and for the first time, we successfully altered its trajectory. This proved that with enough time and planning, we can defend Earth from potential threats. But here's the problem. To move an asteroid like 2024 YR4, we need years, sometimes decades, of preparation. Deflection missions require precise calculations, powerful rockets, and technology that must be ready long before the asteroid is close. If we wait too long, there may be no way to stop it. Right now, the world space agencies are watching closely. If 2024 YR4 turns out to be a real threat, will we have enough time to act? Or will we be forced to face the unthinkable? Time is running out. Right now, some of the most powerful telescopes in the world, including the James Webb Space Telescope, are locked onto 2024 YR4, analyzing its every move. With each passing day, our calculations become more precise. By 2026, we'll know the truth. Will it be just another harmless rock sailing past our planet? Or will we be staring down the most terrifying event in human history? One future leads to survival, a collective sigh of relief as it harmlessly drifts by. The other, a disaster unlike anything humanity has ever faced. A catastrophe that could reshape cities, coastlines, and possibly life as we know it. The universe is vast. Earth is just a tiny speck, floating through the chaos of space. Every few million years, nature reminds us who's in charge. Asteroid 2024 YR4 might just be our next lesson. But there's one thing we do know. This asteroid is coming. The question is, will we be ready?